Hi, Nick Pushek here. I wanted to do a video of Autopilot in bad weather, rain conditions. So here we go. Hi, I wanted to show a demonstration of Autopilot in the rain. It's pretty strong rainstorm here, and I've engaged Autopilot. Just to show, because some people have been saying that I have my hands on the wheel. I do not have my hands on the wheel or my feet on the pedals. And Autopilot is driving the car. And I was sort of curious here how it would perform in bad rain. Also, I just noticed my front left tire is a little deflated. Probably it's a little colder out today than normal, so I suspect that just needs a pound or two of additional pressure. But the Autopilot is doing great here in the rain. I can barely see the lines in the road myself, but the Tesla identifies them. Your lines go blue on the dashboard if it can see and understand the lines, and it's not flickering or doing anything there. It's solid blue, so you can definitely see them. Pretty sure you can see from the video here that it's hard to see. I'll try lane change, so I'm going to hit the blinker, and it jumps right real quick to change lanes. I think I'm going to slow it down here a little to 65. Turn off the blinker after you successfully change the lane. Now, I'm going to hold my hand sort of close but not actually steer. These conditions are not that great, so I'm going to sort of be ready to take over. But it's doing pretty good here. It's not even giving me a warning, which it does from time to time. It's getting a little close to this truck here. That truck was getting close to me. But that's fine. Pulling up to some traffic here, so it should start slowing down by itself. Let's see, I have it set for 3 car lengths. Maybe I'll extend that to 4 because the conditions are pretty bad. But it's doing really well here. I'm going to get back into the center lane, get my blinker on, changed lanes, turn off the blinker. So the Autopilot looks like it works pretty well in rain conditions here. Driving really nice, and we're going to run into some traffic here, so we're slowing down. I have to believe pretty soon it's going to ask me to check to see if I'm alive and ask me to wiggle the steering wheel, but so far it hasn't. Usually does it every 3 minutes or so, but hasn't done it in a while. I do have my hand close, but I'm not touching the wheel. Just because I haven't done this before, and it's pretty bad conditions. not in Houston, so this is not the Houston Harvey storm. This is in Pennsylvania. Just having a bad rainstorm. But Autopilot is working fine. Quite impressed that it can do this in these conditions. Okay, that's all. Just want to let you see how it works in the rain. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.